Hello everyone, it's Mark Shalero, the owner of MS Classic Cars, and we are keeping the blood pumping, offering two outstanding first-generation Camaros with no reserve on an upcoming Bring a Trailer online auction. Everybody has the chance to win one of these two cars. If you are a Camaro enthusiast and you like cars that are factory restored to original condition, this is the perfect car. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Z28 that has been certified by Camaro expert Jerry McNeish of Camaro High Performance. On the other hand, if you're a person who loves custom and modified cars, we have a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro RS SS packing serious punch. This car has a Sunny Racing 615 1023 horsepower V8 sitting under this hood. We are going to do a complete walk-around presentation of each one of these vehicles so you can learn everything that there is to know about them. This is a great opportunity. Again, selling with no reserve on an upcoming Bring a Trailer auction. Don't miss it. It's time to rock and roll.